can of beer.
Cha has, believe me, there are many cans of beer for Cha because he's my drunk. Before Marshall wired him, he was as floppy as Gak was. It was just like you couldn't get him to sit up and he would fall backwards and you would hear thunk when his head hit something. And people would freak out. They're like, and I'm like, oh, don't worry, he's just drunk. And then they'd be like, oh, and then they had to think about it. Because I would say that to like waiters and waitresses when we took them out to eat. I'd be like, oh, don't worry, he's just drunk. And they're like, oh, and then they go.
We did that to that guy at Midtown that night.
We did that to the dude at Midtown the one time. And he was like,
Didn't he bring him something?
yeah.
He brought child. What did he
Children's
bring?
menus.
Oh, yeah.
Cute.
They brought all the dolls.
That's a
children's
good
menus.
waiter.
Yeah, that was. He
Did
was
you give a
fun.
tip?
Yeah, we gave him a big tip. He was a lot of fun. But yeah.